How to change password in Riot Games account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your password in your Riot Games account. So first of all, just simply open your Riot Games official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just simply click on the profile section from the right hand side of the screen, and from there just simply go to the settings section right there. And in the settings section you will be able to see your account management section on the left hand side of the screen. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called Riot account signing in. And over here you have your username section, your password, and your confirm password section. So for example, you want to change your password in the Riot account that you have already. So just simply click on new password section right here, and it will show you the current email address and the password that you have mentioned in your Riot account right now. And after that, just simply add a new password right here in the new password section. And after that, just simply re-enter the new password that you have just mentioned in the new password section into the confirm new password section. And as soon as you confirm your new password section, just simply click on save change. And this way you will be able to change your password. So this is basically how you will be able to change your password in your Riot Game account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.